How to switch account on REDnote. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to Net Nimble. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can switch account on your REDnote app. So let us begin. The first thing you will need to do is make sure that you have installed and updated your REDnote app to its latest version. After you've done that, you can open it up and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, if you're logged into multiple accounts, this is how you change between them. So first, head over to Me, that is on the bottom right corner, and after you're there, you will be on your profile. Now right here, you should see an option called Edit Profile and a settings icon. Simply tap on the settings icon, and after you tap on it, you will need to scroll down, and after you scroll down for a bit, you will see an option called Switch Account right above the Logout button. So tap on Switch Account, and after you tap on Switch Account, you can simply switch between your different accounts from here. Now, if you have not yet added another account, you can tap on Add Account to add another account. After you do that, you can switch between accounts by simply tapping on one account from this page. And yeah, that is basically how you can do it, guys. And that is all for the video. Don't forget to subscribe to Net Nimble, and bye-bye. Take care.